Hello everyone, I am Fareen Hena, and in today's video I am going to tell you how you can create a table or a calendar in MS Word. In my previous video I have already shared the details how you can open the MS Word, what are the features of MS Word. So let's start today's video. In the start button we are going to enter Word and open the Word, and in the Word you can see with the home tab there is an insert tab. In the insert tab you are going to click on the table arrow and randomly select some boxes like this, and when you see that you have selected the boxes, the table tool tab has appeared in front of you, in which there are so many themes you can highlight your table. So we will select this one, and let's start making our calendar. The month is September, which is going on now 2023. So we can see that it has come in one column. And what about the rest column? Because in calendar we normally see that this September 2023 is in the center. So we are going to select this whole, click right, and over here you will see that there are merge cells. So it has been merged. Then from the home tab keep it in the center, and now see the September is in the center. Now just write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I have written the short forms. So first was on Friday, then first, second on Saturday, third on Sunday, fourth on Monday, fifth Tuesday, sixth Wednesday, seventh Thursday, eighth Friday, ninth Saturday, 10th Sunday, 11th Monday, 12th Tuesday, 13th Wednesday, 14th Thursday, 15th Friday, 16th Saturday, 17th Sunday, 18th Monday, 19th Tuesday, 20 Wednesday, 21 Thursday, 22 Friday, 23 Saturday, 24 Sunday, 25 Monday, 26 Tuesday, 27 Wednesday, 28 Thursday, 29 Friday, and 30 Saturday. So now you people will be thinking, what about these extra columns? So we are going to select these, and we are going to click right button, delete cells. Okay, and then we are going to drag this towards our table. Same thing we will do it over here. We are going to delete these cells. So this table you can bring forward. So this is our calendar which is ready in front of you all. So if you want to change the themes, you can see the colors are being changed. There are so many colors to put on. I hope that you like this video. Please do practice this calendar making at home, and do let me know in the comment section whether it was successful or not. Meet you in the next video.